Welcome again on Igbo History TV. This is Chisom Latugo. Today we are going to talk about 10 most powerful and sacred tree in Igboland. Anywhere where you see all these tree where they mention now, no say it is sacred in Igboland. You no go near the tree do anyhow in Igboland. Any Igbo person will see the tree, will never know them. This tree where I will show you now. No say from today I believe say you go know everything about all these trees and know how to respect them and anywhere you see them. Know that Igbo people value these trees and they are highly respected and seen as a sacred trees in Igbo land. Number one, offer tree. This tree where they see so, where they call offer. You get fruit when they use cook food soup in Igbo land. It is called offer soup. Not everybody eat that soup because anybody where they do it for know they eat that soup where they use offer prepare. Ofo is the symbol of authority, honesty, and power in Igbo land. Every family has Ofo. Ofo represents power and authority. Ofo represents covenant and spiritual authority. This Ofo tree is sacred. Nobody plant Ofo in Igbo land. And not everybody go near Ofo. Not Ofo detach itself naturally from its branch. Understand me? The wood detach itself naturally from its body. It detach itself naturally from each branch. That is how Ofo do. Nobody they break. You no go use your hand break Ofo tree, or you no go use your hand knife cut Ofo tree. No, Ofo fall down on its own. The wood fall down on its own naturally. It detach itself from the branch naturally. That is Ofo for you. That is symbol of live and let live. Ofo tree is one of the most sacred tree in Igbo land. Anywhere where you see Ofo tree, people will use white cloth to decorate Ofo to signify that this tree is really holy. Another one, is number 2, Ogrishi tree, Osisi. This Ogrishi tree is another holy tree in Igbo land. Ogrishi tree is used to mark boundaries where two community or two person has land. If you go to the boundary, you will see Ogrishi to signify the end of the boundary, to mark the boundary between two people. Another work of Ogrish is used to represent righteousness. It is a symbol of righteousness. Osisi Ogrish is a symbol of righteousness. Ogrish tree is used to institute deities in Igbo land, especially for men. Mostly men use Ogrish tree to institute their deities. Hope you understand. Ogrishi is a very powerful tree. It's a very sacred tree in Igbo land. It is highly respected. You cannot urinate on Ogrishi tree. If you see wherever you see Ogrishi tree, try and respect Ogrishi tree. Ogrishi is in my community, in my place, we call it Omune. We know they call them Ogrishi. We call it Omune. Omune is a very respected tree in Igbo land. It's one of the sacred tree in Igbo land. Another one is Osisi Oji. This Osisi Oji where you see so is Iroko tree. Iroko is a symbol of royalty, wealth, and power in Igbo land. Nobody plant Oji. Oji grows on its own. And anywhere you see Oji tree, no say that place is great. Any forest where you see Oji tree, no say Oji is the forest is great. Oji represents wealth. Though in recent time many people are cutting down their Oji tree because of money. This Oji is used to house many strong deities of many communities. Yes, many strong deities are housed. We are housed in this Oji tree where you see so. Oji is a great tree. It's a deity on its own in Igbo land. It's one of the most sacred tree in Igbo land. The root and bark of Oji is used to prepare some charms, and it's also used for medical purposes. Another one is Oshishingu. This Oshingu where you see so now, we call him Oshishingu. Oshingu is a deity on its own. In Igbo land, it's a deity. Women has nothing to do with Ngu. Ngu is for men. It's a men's deity. It's a god of protection. Ngu is a spirit of protection. Igbo land, Igbo people value this Ngu tree. It's a magic tree. If you are doing anything evil, don't go to near Ngu. Ngu is a magic tree. It's a tree of protection. Any family where you see Ngu tree, no say it does not come there like that. You get something way follow am. Anywhere where you see Ngu tree, no say Ngu tree That ngwu wey you see for that house get something wey they do there. In they protect the house. This ngwu tree is one of the sacred tree wey you should know in Igboland. As an Igbo person, cutting down ngwu tree is an abomination in many Igbo communities. Igbo say omume egbu ngwu mma dịkwa na ya nkọ n'ihi na ngwu barụsị. Anybody wey dey cut ngwu tree intentionally, let his machete become blunt, because ngwu is a deity. That is an adage in Igbo land. So anywhere you see ngwu tree, do not try and cut it down or use it for firewood. It is a taboo. Ngwu and ogrishi tree is not used for firewood in Igbo land. Ngwu and ogrishi tree is not used for firewood, and ofo tree is not used for firewood in Igbo land. It is forbidden. And using ngwu to build house is also forbidden, because at times it gives problem to the people who use it. Thank you. Another one is osisi oji. All of us know that oji, the fruit of this tree, is used for traditional festivals and ceremonies in Igbo land. Igbo people value oji tree so much. Yes, our people value oji tree so much. So anywhere you see oji tree, know that it is sacred. You don't do anything bad there. The wood is not used for firewood for women. Only men use it. Men that has grown to some extent, some old men use it for firewood, not women. If this fruit from this tree fall down on the ground, no woman can ever come across it or pick it. It can only be picked by a man and then give to a woman. And if you see the fruit of this orgy on the ground, pick it. If you pick it, try and find the owner. Don't just take it home, because you are taking curse home, because this tree is the tree of the deities, the fruit of the gods. In Igbo land, it is a very powerful, well respected tree in Igbo land. Osisi oji. Everything in that tree is medicine. Everything in this oji is medicine. Both the root and the bark is medicine. It is revered, highly revered and respected in Igbo land. Another one, number 6. Number 6, sacred and powerful tree in Igbo land. Osisi aku. Some people call it akbo. Aku Nerimbo is a great tree in Igbo land. It has male and female. It is a tree of war, tree of protection. Igbo people value it because it harbors the unborn children, the spirit of the unborn marine children. That is what this tree harbors. And they harbor some powerful deities in Igbo land. The tree trunk harbors some powerful deities in Igbo land. So anywhere you see this tree, know that it is a spiritual and powerful tree. No evil come near this tree, as you see am so. No evil they come near them. Igbo people, any Igbo person will see this tree, respect them, because you know what in this tree they do. If you are not an Igbo man and you come across this tree, try and respect them, because if you cut down this tree or do anything anyhow in this tree, they may harm you, because it is an abomination in some part of Igbo land. Some community call it oko. Some parts of this tree used for preparing gunpowder. Yes, that's what this tree is all about. This tree is very revered tree and respected tree in the Igbo land. Another one is the osisi udara, which is number 7. Number 7, osisi udara. Osisi udara is a African apple, African star apple. It is another revered tree in Igbo land. In some Igbo communities, plucking udara or climbing udara tree is forbidden. Udara has spirits of the dead ancestors. Umabara. That is what Udara harbors. Udara is a tree of wealth, tree of fertility, and tree of abundance, of wealth. Udara is a tree of the spirit. No man plant Udara in Igbo land. Udara grows on its own. And Udara, some part of Igbo land, belongs to no one. If you come across Udara and it fall down, you come and pick up. You pick am, nobody will say you say where the pick. If udara fall down, you pick am, but you don't need to pluck am or climb the tree. It is abomination in many parts of Igbo land. And selling udara in the market in Igbo land is like selling children. So it is forbidden in Igbo land to sell udara tree or sell udara wood, or using udara to build house. In some part of Igbo land is forbidden, because udara is a tree of the spirits. Number 8, osisi oha. We have talked about ogrishi for maybe a male tree. Oha is what ogrishi is to men, is what oha is to women. In some Igbo communities, women use ogrishi your heart to institute their deity, their chi, their personal guardian spirit. Women use osisi oha to install their personal guardian spirit. Anywhere you see oha in somebody's house, know that some of them are not for just for fancy. It is for something. Oha is also used to prepare. The leaf of this tree is also used to prepare oha soup. Oha is also used to mark boundaries in many Igbo communities. It is also used to mark boundaries in many Igbo communities. So anywhere you see Oha in a boundary, in the forest, know that it is either boundary or for spiritual purposes. Oha is another respected tree in Igboland. Another one, which is number 9, Osisi Aboshi. Osisi Aboshi is another tree which is highly respected in Igboland. Aboshi tree is a holy tree. It is used to institute Agbo deity, another deity in Igboland. Aboshi is used for other spiritual function, which I will not say here, but Aboshi is a very powerful and respected tree in Igboland. Anywhere you see Osisi Aboshi, know that Aboshi is a tree of greatness. It is a tree of greatness. Aboshi represent vengeance. Present vengeance. Aboshi is another tree of greatness, or is another great tree in Igboland. So after all these things, we have to talk about number 10. Number 10 most respected tree in Igboland. Some people might be wondering, what is this number 10? Which tree is this and which tree will it be? Some people do not know about this tree. So many people have been hearing Ojuku, 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 Ojuku. That is a tree where Igbo people they call palm tree. This palm tree, where will they see soon? Palm tree gets types by types. Igbo people value palm tree so much that everything in palm tree is beneficial to an Igbo man. Everything, both the leaf, the branches, the body is beneficial to any Igbo man. Some of them are used to do native basket. They use them to do native basket. The palm oil, all of us know about palm oil. But there is a species of palm tree that is highly revered and seen as a deity in Igboland. Ask me which one. Ojuku tree. Ojuku is a species of palm tree that is also an Igbo deity. That tree is also an Igbo deity used to install a deity, very powerful deity in Igboland, which is known as Ojuku. Ojuku is a god of vengeance. Ojuku is a god of protection. In many parts of Igbo, like in my community, there is a deity known as Ojuku. And that tree, that palm tree, which is kept or left for Ojuku, nobody go near it. It will rip and fall off. Nobody will pick up. Nobody will cut them down. It will fall down on its own because it is a deity. So Ojuku tree, palm tree is also another revered and highly respected tree in Igbo land. Nobody go near palm tree. Nobody go near palm tree. If you go near palm tree and you defecate, it will amount to cause an abomination in Igbo land. Do not defecate or urinate near palm tree anywhere in Igbo land. It is out of bound. Now we are talking about 10 most revered and respected and powerful trees in Igbo land. We have more than 20 of them, but let me stop here. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please try and drop your comments and tell us tell us your mind about it. You also share the video. Thank you. I still remain your brother, Chiso Natugo. Thank you and remain blessed.